Minors. Although it is not required, if you have room in general electives, you can choose a minor outside of your major. A list of available minors can be found at sps.cuny.edu/minor. A minor consists of 4 general elective courses. Please let your academic advisor know if you decide to declare a minor. You will need to complete a minor declaration form and email it to the registrar's office.
Click on Current Students at the top of the page. Scroll down to Forms and select Declare a Minor form. Complete the form and email it to the registrar's office at registrar@sps.cuny.edu.